Tata Zest with Advanced OBD2 system. No check lights, smooth idling, perfect fuel trims. The car runs even on sports mode. No check lights. This is using Europe Gas Advanced OBD2 system. You can see the fuel trims are matched. Thanks for watching.